Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a gradient background. So to create a gradient background, you click on a section on background of your website which you want to change, and then you go to fill, click on this, and then you click on this right box next to this one. It says gradient, and then you can choose any gradient color you want. So for example, I will choose purple. And the second one will be green color. Okay, this one. And then you can play with it with whichever way you want. For example, we can change it, change the degree, and we can also add more gradient colors if we want. So you just left click here, and that's it. Now you can change this middle color. Let's change this one to like more of a blue color, and then actually what we need to do is we need to change the transparency. Okay, this is 0 transparency, we need to change it. Okay, and now it looks good. You can also change the order of colors and put it this way. And that's the way you change a gradient color in Figma.